We all have those days when we're feeling a little self-conscious, and that's totally okay. Let's talk about some seriously flattering style techniques. If you're looking to hide a large tummy, these elegant color combinations will do the trick. These styling tips are not about hiding your body, but about accentuating your natural beauty and rocking those outfits with confidence. Let's dive in and explore how to achieve that refined look with confidence. Let me share my favorite style trick with you. Color blocking. It's all about using bold blocks of color to sculpt a balanced, flattering silhouette. If you're looking to minimize the tummy area, here's the trick. Place darker shades on the areas you want to slim down and lighter colors on the parts you want to highlight. Picture this. Pair a sleek black top and blazer with chic white pants. The black works its magic to slim, while the white draws attention downward, creating a gorgeous, elongated shape. For a more sophisticated look, I highly recommend opting for colors that exude elegance, like rich burgundy and black. Now that is a showstopper. Before I unveil some stunningly elegant outfits, let me share a style secret with you, the three-piece outfit formula. Ladies, this is your ultimate key to achieving effortless elegance. This approach involves layering three key pieces: a base layer, like a top or dress, a middle layer, such as a cardigan or blazer, and a third piece, like a belt or statement accessory. But why is this formula particularly flattering? Well, it's because it creates structure and balance. The three-piece formula helps create a well-structured and balanced look. The middle layer, such as a blazer or cardigan, adds a tailored touch that can streamline your silhouette. It provides coverage while ensuring you don't feel overwhelmed by bulky layers. This formula helps you achieve a flattering silhouette while maintaining elegance. So, embrace the three-piece outfit formula to enhance your style effortlessly and feel confident in your look. Now, if you're aiming for effortless elegance, let me show you how an all-black monochrome outfit can be your best friend. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how to breathe life into this look and ensure you radiate class and sophistication. So, for this outfit, opt for skirts that aren't clingy and allow room to breathe, especially if you have a lower tummy. These designs are both flattering and comfortable, ensuring you feel confident all day. Make the belt your statement piece. It's your secret weapon. A well-placed belt transforms a basic look into something spectacular, refining your waistline and adding elegance. Finally, choose a skirt length that draws attention downwards, creating a longer, leaner appearance. This simple trick helps you look taller and more poised. Next, let's elevate your look by playing with texture. Adding a leather skirt or jacket can transform your outfit from classic to edgy and stylish. For a touch of boldness, consider a leather skirt with a high slit. This not only lets you flaunt your legs, but also draws attention downwards, contributing to a sleek, elongated silhouette. And remember, ladies, wearing an all-black monochrome outfit doesn't mean you have to stick solely to black. Feel free to incorporate neutral colors that complement each other, as seen in this outfit. This way, no one will be focused on your tummy. Instead, everyone will be captivated by your impeccable style and sophisticated flair. So, go ahead and experiment with textures and colors to make your monochrome outfit uniquely yours. You'll look effortlessly elegant and truly stand out. Now let's breathe life into this outfit, shall we? To make your look pop, consider adding a patterned blazer. This instantly adds dimension and sophistication, turning your ensemble into something truly intentional and classy. Pair it with statement shoes in a bold color like red for an extra touch of flair that draws attention. Alternatively, if you prefer to stick with the all-black theme, elevate the look by adding a pearl statement necklace. Pearls add a timeless elegance and can make your outfit look effortlessly chic. They provide just the right amount of contrast while keeping the overall vibe sophisticated. Whichever route you choose, these additions will ensure your monochrome outfit shines with style and grace, showcasing your impeccable taste and confidence. Next, let's add a touch of playfulness and elegance to your outfits by incorporating patterns like polka dots. These details not only add visual interest, but also help distract the eye while maintaining an air of sophistication. Another stylish option is to choose a dress with buttons at the top. This design creates an illusion of a longer, leaner silhouette. Plus, you can unbutton a few for a touch of intrigue and to draw attention upward, enhancing the overall look. By mixing in these elements, you'll keep your outfits fresh, elegant, and effortlessly chic. Embrace the details and watch how they elevate your style to new heights. Next, let's consider the types of sleeves that can further elevate your outfit. Flared or bell sleeves and soft draped sleeves. These styles add a touch of elegance and movement without adding bulk around the tummy. Their graceful flare draws attention to the arms rather than the waist, giving your look a refined and airy feel. Opt for sleeves with a gentle drape or soft fabric that skims the arms without clinging. This helps maintain a smooth appearance while adding sophistication to your outfit. By incorporating these sleeve styles, you'll enhance your overall elegance and achieve a flattering silhouette that's both chic and comfortable. Ladies, if you're looking to add instant elegance, even if you're carrying a little weight around the tummy, one of the simplest and most powerful things you can do is stand tall and walk with confidence. Good posture works wonders. When you stand upright, it elongates your body, giving you a sleek and graceful look. Not only does it help you feel more confident, but it also shifts attention away from your midsection, allowing you to exude poise and elegance effortlessly. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. Ladies, I'm excited to announce that I'll be starting online tutorials to help you shop smarter and choose the best pieces for your wardrobe. If this sounds like what you need, stay tuned for detailed guides to avoid buying the wrong items. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, your body insecurities should never stop you from dressing elegantly and feeling confident. Embrace your beauty, dress in ways that make you feel amazing, and let your style reflect the gorgeous, strong woman you are.